Maharjan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. So in this video, I will be showing you how I made my birthday dress. This is my birthday dress and I made this for my birthday and I am really excited to show you. Finally, I'm making this video to show you, to share with you how I designed my birthday dress. And I was really excited to design this, and finally I'm editing this video. So yeah, I'll be showing you how I made my birthday dress. So without any delay, let's go into the video. For this project, I am using this leftover fabric which I used for previous projects, and now I am doing a rough sketch of how I want my dress to be. I really wanted a square neckline dress, and I am making it a princess cut, a little bit gather in my waist area, and a flowy dress. I'm using net fabric, so I wanted like flowy dress. I want to balance the bottom of my dress with the body, so I'm adding glitter stones in the bottom of my dress. So sketch is ready. Now let's start the work. I'm using this raw silk fabric for the lining and I'm using net fabric. Now we have this beautiful sequins fabric, and this is my pattern square neckline with princess cut, and I'm gonna dress it and then I'm gonna cut that fabric and stitch it accordingly. I've stitched the facing and the princess cutting, and this is how it looks. I'm really loving this sequence, and look how it shines in the camera. And this is the back part. Bodice is almost done, and I'm working with this lehenga pattern for the bottom of my dress, and I'm stitching it now. And after stitching every panel, I am going to glue some beautiful stones. Look at this beautiful flower petal stones. I am in love with this, and I'm gonna stick it with fabric glue, and this is how it looks at the end. And this is the list I stitched in the bottom part of the dress. Guys, look at the shine. Oh my god, we're almost done with the dress. Now we just have to add balloon sleeve. I really wanted volumed sleeve in this dress, so we're gonna add this. And are you guys excited for the dress? This is the almost finished look. I'm doing the trial. I have to do hemming in the neck and zipper area, and I'm doing the trial for the first time, and I was really happy when I tried this dress. I felt like princess. Oh my god. And this is me confused between two sleeve. I really wanted this volume sleeve, but this sleeve looked good as well, and I was really confused, but I ended up with the first one. And finally, it's my birthday, and this is me having full birthday blast, and I had the best birthday ever. And I also did my 24th birthday photo shoot. It was really amazing. Photos were really nice, and I also had pink birthday cake and pink birthday theme. It was really amazing. I had the best birthday. That's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all the process and all the jazz. I really enjoyed the process of making my birthday dress, and I felt like Disney princess while I was wearing the dress. I was really happy when I saw the result. I hope you guys enjoyed with me as well, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you my birthday vlog and how I did my photo shoot in my next video. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye. I'll see you in my next one.